Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Netflix not working Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, as I'm using an iOS, but nonetheless, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So the steps are simply simple. The first thing that you need to do is go to your Play Store and then check to see if the Netflix app has an update or not. Because sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing. So just a simple update can fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, then the next thing that you can do is just simply go to the settings and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and here on Android go to your apps and then just select Netflix app, and here tap on it, and here all you gotta do is tap on offload app and tap on offload app once again. And what this does, it resets the app, and on Android just tap on clear cache and then reset app. And once you do that, go back and try again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below. The next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.